Weather stripping. The secret to a cozy home. Hello, and welcome. Today, we're going to explore the world of weather stripping. Whether you're looking to save energy, reduce noise, or just keep your home cozy, understanding weather stripping is key. Let's dive into what it is, why it's important, and how you can use it to improve your home. Weather stripping refers to the process or material used to seal openings, like doors and windows, from external elements. Its primary function is to prevent rain, wind, and pests from entering, and to stop indoor air from escaping. This is not just about comfort. It's about efficiency and reducing energy costs. There are several types of weather stripping, each suited for different scenarios. V-strip or tension seal. Thin, flexible, and perfect for sealing double-hung or sliding windows. Felt. Economical but less durable. Great for areas with less wear and tear. Foam tape. Easy to install and works well in irregular spaces. Door sweeps. Attached to the bottom of doors, blocking drafts from entering under the door. Choosing the right type depends on where you need to seal and the movement of the sealed area. 1. Measure. Measure the area you need to seal. 2. Cut. Cut the weather stripping to fit your measurements. 3. Clean. Clean the surface where you'll apply the weather stripping. 4. Apply. Follow the specific instructions for your type of weather stripping. This might involve nailing, tacking, or sticking the material into place. Energy efficiency keeps your home temperature stable, reducing the need for heating or cooling. Cost savings. Less energy used means lower utility bills. Comfort. Reduces drafts, noise, and the intrusion of dust, insects, or pollen. We hope this video has illuminated the world of weather stripping for you. It's a simple yet powerful way to make your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Remember, a small change can make a big difference in your living space and your pocketbook. Thank you for watching, and we hope you find your home cozier than ever with the right weather stripping.